All right, everyone. This is going to be a quick video showcasing a case study of the combining Emlid drone and point cloud data for having some valuable deliverables out in a project where we needed to do a quick survey. So what I'm currently showing you on the screen, Civil 3D, where I pretty much merge all of the data. The first thing I did was bring in many of the points that we collected with an Emlid Reach RS2 with a base station that was set in the project and a field and a rover. We use the Emlid Flow app to collect the data. And as you can see, we collected numerous points to points of interest, some of which we use as ground control points. You can see them marked over here in the aerial image. And what you see, of course, is the orthophoto process with drone deploy with this ground control point. So this was our first accuracy check. Everything looks really good. You can see how where we measure gutters, corners of sidewalks, of course, where we did the ground control points, everything is looking really good. So this is that first image that we sent to the team in terms of having spatial understanding of the data that was collected. So that ended up being very nice. So we use also the ground control point data with Lixel K1 with the RTK module. We processed all of that in Lixel Studio, and we were very pleased with the results. So just let me make a change here real quick. I'm going to change it to hidden. Now what you're seeing is not the orthophoto, but the actual point cloud data. And I am actually going to move that point cloud down so we can see a little bit more of the points. So I'm going to select the point cloud real quick, and I'm actually going to bring it down, I don't know, 40 feet. That way we can see the actual data. And you can see also the accuracy of the point cloud processing. Remember that the Lixel K1 is a SLAM, and the actual data collection for this entire job site took 9 minutes, so very, very fast walk. And when I'm looking at the data, I'm going to zoom in. You can see how the points correspond to the corners of the sidewalk. You can see these sidewalk as well, very good. The corner of the gutter. We can also see the ground control point. It's right on point. And so very, very excited about how this ended up. And of course, after we processed that, we brought in that point cloud, we also process a surface with the command you see on top, create surface from point cloud. So let me bring this point cloud back onto its original location. And I want to show you kind of some of the data that is coming up from the surface itself. So you can see how, let's go back to the orthophoto, it's going to be a little bit more clear. If I hover over, it's going to take me the existing elevation from the surface. So we're looking at 5181, and with the Emlid it was 5185. So I'm very happy within a half an inch accuracy there. 5101, again, half an inch. So I'm just selecting random points. Same thing, 5166 on the surface, 5172 on the sidewalk. And yeah, overall, very, very happy with the results. One of the reasons why we use the laser scanner and not only the drone data is also because there was a lot of tree foliage. And with that tree foliage, I couldn't see the sidewalk. So if I were to activate the point cloud again, you will see how I just cut out the tree so my team can actually see what is going on in the field and provide an exhibit to the client to show him the existing conditions. So very, very good results from a SLAM combined with RTK. You can see here, sometimes we get errors a little bit more of that inch, and this is more of an inch, but still within the acceptable tolerances for a SLAM, in my opinion. So just wanted to show some of the results of using an Emlid Reach as the control, setting device, as your geospatial device, using a drone to provide some context from the air, as well as using Lixel K1 as that SLAM device, very quick captures that is providing about 1/2 inch accuracy for all of the measurements we were looking for in this job site. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments and I'm happy to respond.